Hi guys, we are back again. This is Mr. Richard. In this video guys, we are going to learn about Theorem of Pythagoras. Yes, we are specifically looking at MIP, right? In the only study guide for MIP 2601, Mathematics for Intermediate Phase Teachers. Yes. Okay. Right, let's look at the content. Let's look at the content. Right, so we are going to use the study guide because most of the things that you are going to learn here will be on an examination. And to do well on this module, you just have to have basics. Basics are the key determinant in succeeding when it comes to MIP 2601. Yes, you can succeed. It's possible. Nothing is impossible. Right. So, well, specifically, I would like to study with trigonometry this year. First, trigonometry. Then, what's next? After trigonometry, we are going to look at geometry. Yes, so specifically we are going to learn about the development of geometric thinking, geometry. That's what we are going to look at. So why do we need Pythagoras? Because we will need it here on trigonometry. So that's why I start with Pythagoras in this video, right? Hope you'll find this video useful. If you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe, like the video. Yes, just do so. Right, without wasting time, let's get to today's video. Let's introduce you to Pythagoras Theorem, MIP 2601. Guys, you will use a Pythagoras Theorem or Theorem of Pythagoras when you're working with a right triangle. When you're talking about a right triangle, we're talking about these triangles, right? With an interior 90 degrees here. And the longest side, it's called the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is denoted by the symbol R. Then there's a terminal angle, theta. This is a terminal angle. There is a terminal angle, theta. Terminal angle, theta. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly now. There is a terminal angle, theta there. So when you're standing here, let's say it's you here. You're standing here. Your opposite definitely will be this side. So we call this side an opposite side. It's called an opposite side. So it's denoted by an opposite side. It's denoted by Y. Then this side, it will be our adjacent. It will be our adjacent side. So it's denoted by symbol X. So what does the Theorem of Pythagoras state? It states that the sum of adjacent side plus opposite side will be equal to the hypotenuse side, right? That's what it states. So this is the formula for Theorem of Pythagoras. So the question will be, where do we use Theorem of Pythagoras? We use Theorem of Pythagoras when two sides are known. But when you have a side and an angle, you can use trigonometric ratios. But today we're not focusing on trigonometric ratios. That will be our second video. Today we are focusing on Theorem of Pythagoras. Two sides. Sorry for not unknown. It must be known. They must be known. Two sides must be known. For example, let's consider this right triangle. You have, let's say you have 3 and you have 4. So let's say this is A. Let's say this is AB, C, triangle ABC. So then there's a missing side. We need to find length. Let's consider it as length AB, right? length AB. We can see that the longest side here, it's the hypotenuse. So we are going to use a theorem of Pythagoras. So we're going to say x squared plus y squared, which is equals to r squared there, right? So we are looking for r squared, so it's denoted by ab squared. What is our opposite? Remember, when you're standing here, your opposite here will be BC. So we are going to have BC squared, then the adjacent side will be AC squared. Because we're looking for AB, right, this will be our subject of the formula. What do we have at AC? We have 3. So this will be 3 squared. What do we have at BC? We have 4. Then we have AB squared. So this will be 9 plus 16, which is going to be AB squared. 9 plus 16, that will be 25. Then we have AB squared. Because we're looking for AB, we are going to root both sides here. So what is square root of 25? That will be 20. That will be 5. So it will be plus or minus 5, which is equals to AB. But you must know that this can never be negative, right? We cannot have a negative distance. Therefore, you must have AB as 5, meaning that AB is 5 units in this case, right? So in some cases, let's say they will want you to calculate BC. Let's say now you were given AB. Let's say it's 5, and we don't know. Let's cancel this. Let's say you don't know BC. So we will use the same formula, AB AC squared, sorry for that, plus BC squared, which is equals to AB squared. But now we're looking for BC, right? Let's pretend that we don't know BC. But what do we have at AC? At AC we have 3 squared. Then at BC we don't have anything. Then at here we have 5, right? This will be 9. And BC squared there. This will be 25. Then we need to make BC the subject. Transpose 9. 25 minus 9. That will be 16. Then we have BC squared. Then square root of BC squared, square root of 16, square root of BC, that will be BC, square root of 16, that will be plus or minus 4, but remember the distance will be positive, so in this case we are going to take BC as 4 units, and we've shown that this is 4. Similarly, even if they wanted AC, you will use the same technique to get AC. Hope you find this video useful. Hope this video was useful. What did we learn? We learned that the longest side is the hypotenuse, and we learn about opposite sides, and also we learn about adjacent. And we also learned that we use the theorem of Pythagoras when 2 sides are known, right? Yes, this will be significant when we are working with trigonometry. See you on our next video of trigonometry, MIP 2601. Next week, we'll focus on MIP 1501, 1502, and MIP 2602. Right, step by step, we are growing. Thank you for those who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. We are growing as a community. Share the video. Remember, sharing is caring. And remember, we love you.